tons of inspiration everywhere.
Sometimes it's a magazine, sometimes it's a record that you see with cool hair or with cool pictures on it.
Finding the product that works for you and the product that is truly innovative gives you all the possibilities to do whatever you want as an artist.
You know, a smile's great, they're happy, but when they actually give you a hug, it's very endearing and it's very special.
It's one of the most happiest jobs. It's actually been proven, there's been research that hairdressers are the happiest people on earth.
For me, it's very important to have that relationship together. Goldwell feels like a family to me now.
We embrace your passion for beautiful hair. We believe that only together we can reach new heights by achieving creative excellence, outstanding client satisfaction, and salon success. We do more than just understand you. We think like you. We think stylist.